Hi, in this video we are going to learn that how we can export and import text file and parameters file. What are parameters and text files? So if you go to file option here, export text file and parameters files are there. So text file usually technical file which is related to your setup constant setting like electrical, physical and spacing related parameters. The files, these all the rules, and parameters files are something manufacturer related data. Just go to artwork. These are files and general parameters and film control files. So let's see how we can export and import. So just go to file option. Here export text file option is there. Just provide the detail of text file, text one, save it, export it, close, file, export. Here parameters are there. Just select R, give the name parameter 1, export, close it. Now just create a new file, text underscore parameter, save it. Here is the file. Go to file, import, first text file, import it. Go to file, import parameters, import it. Just close it. Go to setup, constant. Here you can see that all the data which was in previous design is there. Since there is no net, that's why there is nothing is there. But the the constant setting which you have set in previous design is there in this design. And same thing with manufacturer. So you can see that here artwork files are available and general parameters are there. So this is how we can export and import text file and parameters file from any existing design to your new design.